Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at compound percent. So if you've completed the previous percent videos and the exponent videos, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So compound percent is when a percent is applied more than once. So let's look at an example. A pair of shoes that cost $180 are on sale for 20% off. What is the total cost if the tax on the sale is 13%? So here we have 20% off. So you will pay 80%, right? 20% off, you will pay 80%. And so that is $144, the sale price. And now we're going to be adding tax. So 1.13 times, right? 13%. So 1 and 13%. So 113 times 144, our sales price, gives 162.72 as the final cost. Example 2. A laptop that costs $1199.99 is on sale for 35% off. What is the total cost if the tax on the sale is 13%? So we have 35% off, so we're paying 65%, which gives $779.99 as the sale price. And we're going to be adding some tax, so 1.13 times 779 gives $881.39 as our final cost. Practice number 1. A calculator that costs $39.99 is on sale for 33% off. What is the total cost if the tax on the sale is 13%? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have 33% off, so we're paying 67%, which gives $26.79 as the sale price. We're adding tax, so 1.13 times to $26.79 gives $30.27 as the final cost. Okay, example 3. What one decrease in percent is the same as an 8% reduction followed by a 9% reduction on $100? So the first thing we have here is 8% reduction, so we're paying 92%, which gives $92. And then on this $92, we're paying 91% because it's a 9% reduction, which gives $83.72. And so you can see right now that it's 16% just by looking at it, but I'll show you the math in case it's not $100. So we have 100 minus 83.72, which is 1628. And so 1628 is what percent of 100? We've seen this before. And so this is 0.1628. And so doing an 8% reduction and then a 9% reduction is the same as doing a 16.28% reduction in one shot. Okay, practice number 2. What one increase in percent is the same as an increase of 7% followed by 12% increase on $100? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So what do we have? We have a 7% increase, so 1.07 gives 107. And then on that 107, another 12%, so 1.12, which gives $119.84. And so the increase is by $19.84. We can see that the percentage is 19%, but in case it's not $100, we do 1984 equals what percent of 100? Divide by 100 both sides, isolate x. So we get 0.1984, which is the same as 19.84%. Okay, different kind of problem now. Example 4. A $1,300 is put into a savings account that earns 4% interest compounded yearly. How much is in the account after 3 years? So we have $1,300 and we're going to earn 4%. So it's going to be times 1.04. And that's after 1 year. So we have after 1 year we have a certain amount. And then this amount is going to be applied interest again, 1.04 on the amount that's already in there. So 1.04 times this here to make it for 2 years. And we're going 3 years, so we have another 1.04%, right? 4%, so 1.04, being applied to what's already in there. And so if we punch this in our calculator, this gives 1462 and 32 cents. And if you remember from our exponent video, 1.04 times 1.04 times 1.04 is 1.04 to the 3, like that. So you punch that in your calculator and you get the same amount, like that, 1462, 32 cents. So with compound interest, you earn interest on the previously earned interest, right? So this is what happened. We had savings, we earned interest, we have a new amount. We now are going to earn interest on the total, not just 1,300, but also the interest that's already there. So it's 1.04 on the whole thing. And that's what compound interest means. So example 5, 2,500 is put into savings account, 3.5% compounded yearly. How much is in the account after 4 years? So 3.5%, that's 1.035, like that. 4 years, so to the 4, times 2,500 gives 2868.81 in the account. Okay, practice, your turn. 3,600 put into a savings account that earns 4.3% interest compounded yearly. How much is in the account after 5 years? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have 1.043, that's 4.3 interest. It's being applied 5 years on 3,600. And so this gives 4,443.49 as the amount that is in the account. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.